Yeah, okay, I'll continue with the next problem in ATC. That is, draw a DFSM to accept strings of A's and B's which do not end with string A, B, B. Okay. So, draw a DFSM to accept strings of A's and B's which do not end with string A, B, B. So, already we have solved similar type of a problem. That one is the difference is that is ending with what ABB, and this one is do not ending with what ABB. It's somewhat difficult to construct for do not end with what ABB. For that, what is the logic we will going to use? We will going to construct for ending with what ABB, then we will take that negation. I think you know the concept of what negation, just a reverse of that one. So, okay, we will construct for ending with what ABB, then we will take what negation. Okay, in the last video already I solved this particular problem ending with what ABB. So, if you observe that one, we will get DFA in this way. Okay. So, sigma will get as what A comma B. Why it is A comma B? Because A's and B's. Okay. Sigma will get what? A comma B. Why? Because strings of A's and B's. Okay. And so language you know, you will get ending for ending with ABB, you will get A, BB minimum length string, and you can form what AA, BB, and you can form what n number of strings. So, language is what infinite, and you will get DFA in this way. Now, I have to construct for what not ending with ABB. For that one, what we will do is we will take what negation. Whenever there is a problem not ending, okay, first you construct for what ending, then you take what negation. How to take what negation? Make final state as what non-final state, and all non-final state as what final state. That's it. Okay. Make final state as what non-final state, and all non-final state as what final state. Okay. So, construct for ending with the ABB, and then you take what negation. How to take that negation? You just write the diagram one more time. So, Q0, Q1, Q2, and finally what Q3. Okay. So, this one for ending with ABB. If you want not ending with ABB, so you rewrite that one as it is. Okay. So, arrows everything what same A, B, again loop upon what A. So, here you will have B, then from Q2 to Q1 upon A, from Q3 to Q1 upon A, and finally from Q3 to Q0 upon B. So, I have just written the same diagram one more time. If it is do not ending with ABB, construct for ending with what ABB. I think you know how to construct that one. Already I explained that particular problem in the previous video, just watch that one, you will get this diagram. So, now how to construct for not ending with what ABB? Just take the negation of this one. How to take negation? Make all non-final state as what final state, and final state as what non-final state. In the previous diagram, Q3 is what final state. I will make that one as what non-final. Okay. So, I will make Q3 as what non-final, single circle. Whereas Q2, Q1 and Q0 are non-final in previous DFA. What I will do? Now, I will make that one final state. How to make that one final state? Just write double circle. So, now this one is what you required DFA for not do not ending with what ABB. This one for ending with ABB, and this one is for not ending with what ABB. How to construct? I will repeat. First you construct for ending with what ABB. I think you know that one, right? Sigma language, infinite language, write what skeleton, build what muscle, you will get the diagram. Okay. And then you construct for what not ending with what ABB by taking what negation. How to take what negation? Make final state as what non-final state, and all non-final state as what final state. That's it. Okay. This one is what you required DFA. Yeah. So, the next problem, draw a DFSM to accept strings of A's and B's such that this is the given language. Okay. So, language is AWA such that A belongs to A to the A plus B whole to the power of n, and where n is greater than or equal to 0. Okay. So, first you understand the language. So, there is a A in the beginning and this A in the at the end. At the middle position, there may be what some substring that is formed with symbol A as well as what B, and since n is starting from what 0, so at this position you can have what anything that is made up of what A's and B's including what epsilon. Okay. This W either it can be what epsilon, or it can be what A, or it can be what B, or any combination of what A's and what B's. Since n is what greater than what 0, we will get what epsilon. Suppose if write n is greater than or equal to what 1, so we will get a combination of A's and B's, all the combination of A's and B's except what epsilon. If n is what greater than or equal to what 1. If n is what greater than or equal to what 0, you will get what including what epsilon. Okay? Yeah. So I will consider DFA for this particular problem. Draw a DFSM to accept strings of A's and B's. So strings of A's and B's, so therefore your sigma will going to become A comma B. Okay. Strings of A's and B's, sigma is going to become A comma B. Strings of A comma B comma C's, sigma is going to become A comma B comma C. Strings of zeros and ones, sigma is going to become 0 comma 1. Okay, now sigma is what over. Next you have tried what language. So I am going to build what language by taking the help of this one. Okay. So W, by worst case it may be what even epsilon. If it is epsilon, I will get what A. So minimum length string is what A. Okay. Then it can be what A triple A. So this W may be what single A, or W may be what B, or it may be combination of what AB, ABA, and this will continue. Okay. So initially I have what epsilon when n is what 0, and so I will get either A or what B when n is equal to what 1, and I will get combination of A's and what B's when n becomes what 2, and that will continue. And I do not know the value of what n, so I can form what infinite number of what strings. Therefore language is what infinite language. Okay. So language is what infinite language. Whenever the language is what infinite, so underline what minimum length string. Okay. Next check the length of minimum length string. What is the length of what minimum length string? 2. Okay. If it is 2, how many states we are supposed to consider? Go with what 3 states. One is start state, and one more is what accepting state, one is what intermediate state. Okay. And connect these 3 using what connector, and we use connector arrow as what connector, and name the states. So Q0, Q1, Q2, and write your minimum length string, that is A as it is, A. Okay. Yeah. Now this one is called as what skeleton. Now to build what muscle. How to build what muscle? You rewrite this one more time. If you want, you can build here itself. You write that one one more time. Okay. Just to build what muscle, I am rewriting this one more time. So now just check what sigma. Sigma is what A comma B. If it is A comma B, from each state there should be what exactly 2 paths. Already there is a path for A. Now I have to build path for what B. So just check the question. It should start from what A. If it is starting from what A, I should not disturb this one. Okay. If I connect anywhere, either I go with what a loop or I connect with the nearest state, that will going to disturb what starting with what A. Okay. Therefore I don't have any other option, so I have to go with what dead state upon what B. So if I go with what loop, string will going to start with what B. So that is not accepted, because string should start with what A. If I connect here, I will get what B A. Even that is also not valid. If I connect directly here, it will going to accept what B. Therefore since there is no other option, we will go with what dead state, and once you reach what is dead state, you will remain within a dead state. Okay. Yeah. So now Q node is what over. Why? Because there is a path for A and there is a path for B. So Q node is what over. Okay. Now go with what Q1. So within the Q1 there is a path for what A. Now I have to give path for what B. So I have to give path for what B. Now first option you have to go with what loop. So if I go with what loop upon what B, what will happen? String is starting from what A, and I can have what n number of B's. Then it will going to end with what A. Starting with what A, ending with what A, and the middle I can have what anything that is made up of what A's and B's. So that is that will go to form what valid string. Therefore this one is what correct. Okay. So from Q1 there is a path for A and as well as what there is a path for what B. Therefore Q1 is also what over. Okay. Now go to what Q2. There is no path for what A as well as what B. So first you go with what? A. So what is the first option? Loop. So I'll write loop upon what? A. Just check 1A, 1A, 1 n number of B's. So it will reach what final state upon accepting what A, then it will accept what n number of A's. Okay. So 1A, 1B, assume 1 or 2 B's because of what loop. Again what one more A, then I can have what n number of A's. Now if I consider this one as what W, then if a string is what starting with what A and ending with what A. So that is a valid string. Therefore loop upon A is a correct. Okay. So we can write loop upon A upon for Q2. Now I have to give path forward B. Okay. So if I write a path forward B loop, what will happen? That will going to end with what? B. So loop is not a valid option. If I will try to connect what over here. Okay. So 1A, again one more A or n number of B's or one more A, then it will accept what B. Then before going to what final state, I will get at least what 1A or n number of A's. Okay, if I come here before going to what final state, at least I will get 1A or n number of A's. So string will going to end with what? A's, or it will going to end with what? A. It is starting with what? A and ending with what? A. Therefore connecting to Q1 from a Q2 upon B is a valid. Now if you check Q2, there is a path for A and there is a path for what? B. Q2 is also what over. Now this one is what you required, DFA. Okay. Just write what sigma Q delta as well as start state. Start state is what Q0, accepting state is what Q2. Yeah. So the next problem, draw a DFSM to accept strings of zeros and ones for the given language. This is the given language. Okay. So W such that W belongs to 0 0 0 plus 1 whole star 1 1. The meaning is the string will going to start with the 2 zeros and it will going to end with what? 2 ones. In the middle I can have what? Anything that is made up of what? 0 as well as what? 1. Since they have written what? Star means including what? Epsilon. Okay. So at the worst case you will get what? 2 0 and 2 1. Why? Because if the star becomes what? 0, I will get what? Epsilon. If star becomes what? 1, either I will get what? 0 or what? 1. If star becomes what? 2, I will get what? 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, and that will continue. Okay. So in the worst case I will get what? 0 0 1 1. So that is the meaning of what? Star. Now I will construct DFA for this particular given language. Okay. So how to construct that one? First you go with what? Sigma. So what is a sigma? Just read the question. Strings of zeros and ones. If it is zeros and ones, sigma will going to become what? 0 comma 1. Okay. So now by taking the help of this one, write what language. So how to write that language? So if star becomes what? 0, I will get what? Epsilon. So I will get what? 0 0 1 1. So in the worst case I will get what? 0 0 1 1. Okay. So if star becomes what? 1, so either I will get what? 0 0 1 1 1 or 0 0 0 1 1. Okay. And if star becomes what? 2, 0 0 0 0 1 1, and this will continue. Okay. So what's the type of the language? So type of the language is infinite. So infinite language, whenever the language is what? Infinite, go with what? Minimum length string. Okay. What's the length of minimum length string? Length is what? 4. If it is what? 4, how many number of what states? 5 states, out of which one is start state and one should be what? Accepting state. So this one is what? 4, therefore number of states should be what? 5. 4 plus 1. Okay. One should be start state and one should be what? Accepting state. So remaining are intermediate state. So that is just a circle. Okay. Now connect this one using what? Arrow. Okay. Next you rewrite your minimum length string as it is 0 0 1 1. Okay. Next name this one Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3 and Q4. Okay. Yeah. Now this one is called as what? Skeleton. Now I have to build what? Muscle. I will build the muscle in the same skeleton. Okay. Yeah. Now what is your sigma? Sigma is 0 comma 1. From each state there should be exactly 2 paths. If you observe at Q0, there is a path forward 0. Now I have to write path forward 1. Okay. So what's the first option? Go with what? Loop. Loop upon 1. if I write loop upon 1, what will happen? It will going to start from what? 1, but our requirement is it should start from what? 0 0. Therefore, there is no other option. If I connect anywhere, that will going to start with what? 1. Therefore, I have to go with what? One state, and that state is called as what? Dead state. And once you reach what? Dead state, remain within a dead state. Okay? Yeah, upon 1. It should start from what? 0 0. Therefore, for Q1 also there is no other option. Upon 1, so I should connect that one to what? Dead state. Okay, then only it will going to start from what? 0 0. If I write loop, it will going to start from what? 0 1. Okay, or if I connect anywhere, it will going to start from what? 0 1. So requirement is it should start from what? 0 0. Since there is no other option, I have connected that one to what? Dead state. Okay, yeah. Now, so Q node is what? Over, because there is a path for 0 as well as what? 1. So if you go with a Q1, there is a path for 0 as well as what? 1. Q1 is also what? Over. Now go with what? Q2. Okay. Now Q2, there is a path for what? 1. Now I have to give path for what? 0. So what is the first option? Write a loop upon what? 0. 2 0, a number of zeros, then it will going to end with what? 1 1. So that is a valid string. Okay. Therefore, loop upon 0 is what? Valid. Now if I observe what Q2, there is a path forward 1, there is a path forward 0. Therefore, Q2 is also what? Over. Now go with what? Q3. There is a path for 1, I have to give path forward 0. I can't write what? Loop. Why? Because that will going to end with 0 1. So requirement is what? 1 1. I can't connect here. Why? Because that will going to end with what? 0 1 0. Even I can't. I can connect over here. Okay, upon 0. 2 0. Again some zeros, 1, again it will come back to 0. So before going to what? Final state, it will go to accept what? 1 1. Okay, 2 0, some number of zeros, then 1. Suppose if I come over here 0, then I can have 10 number of zeros. Before going to what? Accepting state, final state, I will going to have what? 1 1. Therefore, connecting to what? Q2 is a valid option. Just remember, I want 1 1. If I connect somewhere, I will get what? 1 1. Connect there, that is it. Okay, yeah. Now if I observe Q3, there is a path for 1, there is a path for 0, there is a Q3 sort over. Yeah. So now consider what? Q4. Now I have to give a path for what? Both 0 as well as what? 1 with respect to what? Q4. Now, so first I will go with what? 0. So if I write what? 0 for loop upon what? 0, what will happen? So that will go to end with n number of what? Zeros. So that is not our requirement. So now try to connect with what? Next nearest state. If I connect upon what? Q3, what will happen? It will go to end with what? 0 1. That is not our requirement. It should end with what? 1 1. Okay. Now try to connect with some state such that I will get what? 1 1. So if I connect Q4 upon what? 0 to Q2. Okay. If I connect Q4 upon what? 0 to Q2, what will happen? So I may have what? 0, a number of what? Zeros 1 1. If I come over here upon what? 0 to this particular state, then again I can have 10 number of zeros. Before going to what? Accepting state, I will going to have what? 1 1. Okay. So this one is satisfying what? Our requirement. Therefore, connecting Q4 upon 0 to Q2 is what? Valid. Now write a path for what? 1 for what? Q4. So what is the first option? Loop upon what? 1. If I write loop upon 1 for Q4, what will happen? So 1 1, then I can have n number of what? 1s. So that will going to end with what? 1 1. At the end, I will going to have what? 1 1. Therefore, writing loop for Q4 upon 1 is a valid option. Now if you observe what? Q4, there is a path for what? 0 as well as what? 1. So Q4 is also what? 1. Now this one is what? Your required DFA. Okay. Yeah. So now I'll take some simple example, and I'll check whether whatever the machine constructed is correct or wrong. Now first I'll take the string 0 0 1 1. Okay, what's the start state? Q 0. If the input is what? 0, it will take a transition to what? Q1. Okay, now I am in what? Q1. So 0 is what? Over. Now I am in what? Q1. What's the next input? 0. If the input is what? 0, if I are in a Q1, it will take a transition to what? Q2. Okay, 0 is what? Over. Okay, now what's the next input? 1. Now you are in what? Q2. If the input is what? 1, input is what? 1, and if you are in a Q2, it will take a transition to what? Q3. Now you are in Q3, and this one is what? Over. If you are in Q3 and what is the input? 1. If it is 1, it will take a transition to what? Q4. Q4 is accepting state, and this string is what? Valid. Why? Because starting with what? 0 0, ending with what? 1 1. Therefore, this string will be what? Accepted. Okay. So now I will go with what? 0 0 1 0 1 1 0. So if you observe this one, this is not a valid string. Even though it is starting from a 2 0, it is not ending with what 2 1. Okay. So now it should not be accepted. If your automata is what correct, it should accept what all the valid string. Okay. If your automata is what correct, it should accept what all the valid string, and it should not accept not even a single invalid string. This one is what invalid string. We will check whether this will be accepted or not. Okay, what's the first input? 0. You are in a start state Q 0. Q 0 upon 0 is what Q1. Now you are in Q1. 0 is what over. Okay, you are in Q1. Q1 upon what 0? What is Q1 upon 0? Q1 upon 0 is Q2. Now you are in what Q2. What is the input? 1. Q2 upon 1 is what Q3. Now you are in what Q3, and input is what 0. Okay, so again you will come back to what Q2. Now you are in Q2, and the input is what 1. Q2 upon 1, again it will go to what Q3. Okay, Q3. Q3 upon 1 is what Q4. Q3 upon 1 is what Q4. Now you are in what Q4, and the input is what 1. If the input is what 1, again it will take a transition to what Q4. Okay, now you are in Q4. Q4 input is what 0. Q4 input is what 0. It will come back to what Q2. Now you are in what Q2. So now you are in Q2, and your input got over, but it is not accepting state. Q2 is not accepting state. Therefore, this string will not be what accepted. Okay, this string will not be what accepted. Why it is not accepted? Because this is not a valid string. Simple. If your automata is what correct, it should accept what all the n valid strings, but it should not accept not even a single invalid string. This is how we can trace that one. Yeah. So the next problem, draw a DFSM to accept strings of A's and B's having 4 A's. Okay. Yeah. So first how to build a DFA? First you go with sigma. Sigma is strings of A's and B's. Therefore it will going to become A comma B. Okay. So next you write what language. So how to write that language? So having 4 A's. In the worst case, there should be what exactly 4 A's. Therefore your string will going to become what in the worst case 4 A's. Okay, there should be 4 A's, that's it. So even it may start from what B, but there should be what 4 number of A's. So if you observe this particular string starting from what B, there's a 3A and there's one more A. 3 plus 1 4. Okay, so even you can form B B A B A, and you can form what? How many number of word strings? N number of word strings. If you observe here, I have what 4A, 5, 6, 7A. Sorry, 4 to 6, yeah, 7A. So, but the requirement is what 4A. Either it may be what continuous or at any position. But there should be exactly, there should be what at least what 4 A's. Having what 4 A's. 4 or more number of A's. So, minimum number of A's is what 4. So, worst case will get what 4 A's. So, what's the type of the language? Infinite language. If the language is what infinite, so underline what maximum length, sorry, minimum length string. So language is what infinite language, therefore underline what minimum length string. What's the size of the minimum length string? 4. If it is what 4, 4 plus 1, how many number of what state? 5 states. Construct what 5 states. So one should be what start state, and one should be what accepting state, and there should be what 3 intermediate state. Okay, because it is what 4, there should be what 5 states. One should be start state and one should be what accepting state. Remaining 3 should be what intermediate state. And connect this 5 states using what arrow? Using what connector arrow. And name this states. So I'll go with what Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Okay. Yeah. So now you rewrite this 4A as it is. 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A. This one I have written what as it is. Now this will going to become what skeleton. Now I have to build what muscle. So how to build what muscle? If sigma is what A comma B, there should be exactly two paths from each state. So already there is a path for A. Now to give path for what B. What's the first option? Go with what loop. So if I write loop upon what B, what will happen? Say number of V's, I will get what 1A. So before going to what accepting state, I will go to have what 4 A's. Therefore no problem. So this state is what over. Why? Because there is a path for A as well as what there is a path for what B. Now go with what Q1. There is a path for A. Now to give path for what B. So write a loop upon what B. So I can have 10 number of B's, 1 A. Then I can have a number of B's, 1 more A. Before going to accepting state, I will go to have what 4 A's. Therefore loop is a valid option. Okay, so go with what loop. So again, same thing for what Q2 as well as what Q3. I think you can understand that one. So already I have 4 is. What about the last one? For the last one, you can write loop upon what? A comma B. So this is a simple problem. I think you can understand the logic. Already I have 4 is, then I can out any number of A's as well as what B. Therefore, I have to go with what loop. Okay, simple. Now this one is what your final automata. DFA. Yeah. So the next problem, draw a DFSM or a DFA to accept strings of zeros, ones and twos. Beginning with a 0, it should begin with a 0 followed by odd number of ones, then there should be odd number of ones ending with a 2. So it should be ending with a 2, single 2. Okay. So from the given question, first you write what sigma. How to write what sigma? Strings of zeros, ones and what twos. Therefore sigma is going to become 0, 1, 2. And what about the language? So language is, so beginning with a 0, it should start from what 0. Okay, with a 0. So there should be exactly 1 0 with a 0. Therefore there should be exactly 1 0 followed by odd number of ones. There should be odd number of ones after what 0. So either it may be 0 1. Then ending with a 2. Ending with a 2 means there should be exactly 1 2. Means it should begin with a single 0 and it should end with a single 2. In the middle I can have what? Odd number of ones. So this either I can write in this way, or what's the next odd number? 3 or 5. So beginning with a 0, ending with a 2 with odd number of ones. Okay, and this will continue. So I can form what? N number of word strings. So what's the type of the language? The language is what? Infinite language. If the language is what? Infinite, so underline what? Minimum length string. So it's the size of the minimum length string 3. If the size is what? 3, how many number of word states? 4 states. So write what? 4 states. One should be what? Start state, and one should be what? Accepting state, and 2 intermediate state. And connect this one using what arrow? And write this minimum length string as it is 0, 1, 2, and name this one. So Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Okay. So 3, 4 states. One is what? Start state. One is what? Accepting state. Then connect that one using what arrow, and whatever the minimum length string, you write that one as it is 0, 1, 2. Okay. Now this will going to become a skeleton. Now I have to build what? Muscle. Okay. So now, so sigma is what? 3. Therefore 0, 1, 2, 3 symbols. Therefore from each state there should be what? 3 paths. So just observe, it should start from what? 0. So if I connect anywhere for 1 as well as what 2, that will going to start from what? 1 as well as what 2. Therefore there is no other option. If there is no other option, so you have to go with what? Last option. What is that last option? Dead state. And once you reach what dead state, you have to remain what? Within a dead state. For both 0, for both 1 as well as what 2, so you have to go for what? Dead state. Why? Because if I connect anywhere, it will going to start from either 1 or what 2. That is not a requirement. Requirement should be, it must always start from what 0. Therefore since there is no option, so I have to connect that one to a dead state. Okay. Yeah. Now go with what? Q1. Already there is a path for what? 1. Now to give path for what? 0 as well as what? 2. So just observe the question, beginning with a 0. So it should start exactly from what? 1 0. So if I write loop, I'll going to have what? N number of zeros. Or if I connect anywhere, I'll going to have what? 0 0. That is not a requirement. Since there is no other option, connect upon what? 0 to a dead state. Okay, then I'll going to have what? Exactly 1 0. What about 2? 2 is also what? Same thing. Connect that one also for what? Dead state. Why? Because if I write what? Loop, okay, after 0 I'll going to have what? N number of what? 2's, but the requirement is odd number of what? 1's. Since there is no other option, if I connect anywhere after 0, I'll get what? 2, but what's our requirement? After 0 there should be what? Exactly odd number of what? 1's. Therefore since there is no option, connect that one to what? Dead state. I'll go with what? Q2. Okay, so what I will do, I'll connect this one over here. Q2 there is a path for what? 2. Now to give a path for what? 1 as well as what? 0. 0 I can't do what? Anything. Why? Because after 1 it should be exactly what? 1 2. So if I connect anywhere, I'll get what? After 1 I'll get what? 0. Therefore for 0 you can connect to what? Dead state. And for 1 what I will do is, since I want odd number of ones, I will connect here. So what will happen now? 1 1 2 1 3 1. Before going to accepting state, I will get what? 3 1 or 1 1 2 3 4 5 1, means that is odd number, odd count. Okay, connecting to what? Q, from Q2 to Q1 upon what 1, I will get what? Odd number of odd ones. What about 2? 2 already have odd path, therefore even Q2 is also what? Over. Now go with what? Q3. Q3 there is no other option. Why? Because it should end exactly with what? 1 2. So already we have what? 2. There is no other option. Therefore for all 0 1 as well as what 2, connect to what? Dead state. 0 1 2, connect to what? Dead state. So this one is what? Your final automata. Okay.